Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ica Rizky Marsha from class Management Major 23A. This video I wanted to explain to my material about identifying market segment and target customer. So, what are market segmentation and target? Market segmentation and target refer to the process of identifying a company's potential customer, choosing the customer to pursue, and creating value for the target customer. It is achieved through to the segmentation, targeting, and position STP process. Overview of the STP process. As mentioned earlier, STP stands for segmentation, target, and positioning. Segmentation is the first step in the process. It groups consumers with similar needs together and determines the characteristic of the chosen consumer. The second step is targeting, in which the company selects the segmented for consumer they will focus on. Companies will determine the based on the activeness of the segment. The last step is positioning, or characteristics of value proposition for the company that will apply to the selection customer segment. Segmentation is the first step in the process. It groups customers with familiar needs together and determines the characteristic of those customers. For example, an automotive company can split customers into two categories: price and sensitive and price and insensitive. The price sensitive category may be characterized as one with less disposable income. The second step is targeting, in which the company selects the segment of the customer they will focus on. Companies will determine this based on the characteristics of the segment. Attractiveness depends on the base size, profitability, intensity of the competition, and ability of the firm to serve the customer in this segment. The last step in position, or creating a value proposition for the company that will apply to the selection customer segment. After creating value, a company communicates the value to customers through the designs, distribution, and advertisement of the product. The automotive company can create value to price-sensitive customers by marketing their car as full, efficient, and reliable. And how do companies segment customer? The most common way to segment customer is by looking at geography, demographics, psychographics, behavior, and benefit shock. Psychography includes the lifestyle, interest, opinion, and personality of the consumer. Behavior is the loyalty, purchase accession, and usage rate the buyer, and benefit shock are the values its customer is looking for, such as convenience, price, and status associated with the product. Another way to segment customer is by asking why, what, and who. How do companies target customer? Targeting is the process of developing the attractiveness of the customer segment, as well as determining how to attract this customer. Firms' choice of the customer segment largely depend on the product and service they are offering. It also determines the marketing strategy the company will employ. Markets that are differentiated are sustainable for us marketing. 3 factor influence of company selection of the segment. First of all, companies consider the characteristic of the segment. Characteristics include are how fast or slow a segment is growing and how profitable it is. Secondly, the company considers its own competition and research to address the needs of the segment. For example, a large segment is attractive. Lastly, a company considers the competition in the segment, both current and the future. A large and growing segment may be profitable but will attract a lot of competition, effectively reducing margins. Lastly, a company considers the competition in the segment, both current and the future. A large and growing segment may be profitable but will attract a lot of competition, effectively reducing margins. The what that companies as focus on purchase behavior. Data that interest companies can be broken down into recency, frequency, and monetary value. These three things show when the last visit to store was, how frequently customers shop in the store, and how much money they spend. They help companies determine the value and loyalty of customers. For example, large companies such as Microsoft will utilize the same design and similar ads for all customers. For the markets, one-to-one marketing is more appropriate. One example would be Dry Queen, where the customer can design and correct their own cake. Another example would be luxury store such as Tiffany Co., with scents personalized later as ads. Segmentation and targeting strategy. Strategies are the process of curating product, pricing, communication, and customer management strategies. Product strategies aim to extract the most value out of the customer. It is done by offering product at different price level or by only making expensive product available first. Segmentation and targeting strategy. Strategies are the process of curating product, pricing, communication, and customer management strategies. Product strategies aim to extract the most value out of the customer. It is done by offering product at different price level or by only making expensive product available first. Strategies involves appealing to either price-sensitive or price-insensitive segment. Communication strategy advertises using to appropriate ad and the right media to target to chosen consumer group. For example, product for younger audience will be advertised through digital channels as such a main segment spends more time on the Google and Facebook. Lastly, customer management strategies use a customer past purchase behavior to decide the best approach to promote product. They include offering upgrades, priority boarding, or plans or costs, and strategy will also account. Market segmentation. Market segmentation has several steps you need to follow. 1. Identifying the market according to what they need and want. 2. Analyze their use pattern like and seed like, lifestyle, and demographics. 3. Note the growth potential of your market as well as your competitions and the potential risk they might express to your company. And 4. Analyze the potential profit of the market segment. 5. For your priced and designed market programs. 6. Explore the interest market and potential expense opportunities. That's all about for materi. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.